Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see what is article master in IS-Retail. Just like every industry, retail is also have different needs from product data in terms of business scenarios and maintenance options. In general industrial business processes, one will create material master, which contains information about materials that a company manufactures or procures or sells or stores. Each material master record consists of information about different departments like sales, purchase, finance, plant maintenance, warehouse, etc., which will further used in order to handle different business processes. Similarly, in retail industry as well, one will maintain article master record. Unlike material master, article master is created with reference to material type, material group, and material or article category. It is created at purchase organization level along with sales area, vendor, and customer level. Article master also have additional data that is integrated to maintain purchase info record, listing, assortment, and sales price calculations. In material master, one can process only one material for a plant at a time, whereas in article master, system transfer data from higher level to dependent levels. For example, system transfers generic article data to all its variants, and hence variant articles get created automatically. So now let us go ahead and see types of articles. Articles are assigned to article categories or vice versa while creating them. An article type or an article category determines how the article will be stored in system and how they will react or function in a business process. Some of the article types are single article. These are created individually or they are a single piece products where they do not have any variants. Generic articles. They are not real articles which will be sold. They serve as a data reference for their variants or varieties. Although they exist in system in the form of article master, they do not have any inventory. Instead, their variants hold inventory. Example, clothes. Variant article. They are child article for generic articles, but with special characteristic values that assign. Structured articles. Some of the structured article types are sales set, pre-pack, display articles. This image demonstrates how each article functions. Single article is a single entity, just like a watch, a ring, whereas generic article, for example, if there is a shirt from Nike company, a t-shirt from Nike company, so Nike company t-shirt won't be sold, whereas in Nike company t-shirt with half sleeve of size L and color blue will be sold. So that is called variant. Similarly, structured articles are display articles, sales set, and pre-packs. Further, we will see the examples for them. So here is an example for generic and variant articles. In SAP system, one will create a generic article. In the above screen, we can see system will create a generic article, article 51. As soon as it is created, its variants article 51, 001, 002 and 003 are created with reference to classifications and characteristics that are assigned to the generic article. The characteristics could be the size, color, sleeve length, etc. So in this, we will see the examples for sales set and pre-pack article types. We will see during occasions like Rakhi or any festivals or any eves, some of the articles or products are grouped together and will be sold together. Such kind of articles are sales set. In this example, we can see different chocolates are brought together, made into a set, and will be sold as a set. This is a best example for sales set. Whereas for pre-pack, we can see a Adidas company. An Adidas store will order Adidas manufacturer to provide some of the shoes of one category or one product or one model. So they will buy from Adidas all those models in bulk of different colors, but in real they will sell it individually. So this is called pre-pack. So now we will see a similar article type called display article. In many stores we will see a display of collections. For example, beauty collections. We will see Dove, Pantene, Head and Shoulders, etc. Where the collection of articles that are similar in nature are brought together and sold individually. Here, unlike pre-pack, one can assign both single and variant articles in display packs. Whereas in pre-pack, only variants that belongs to same category only can be grouped. So this is the difference between pre-pack and display article types. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.